This video will show you how to replace the front ABS wheel speed sensor on a Ford Transit-250. This will be located behind your front wheel. Let's get into it. Safely raise and support the front end of the vehicle so your front wheel's off the ground. Now, once we've done that, we're going to be using a 21mm to remove all 5 of our lug nuts. Then we can remove that wheel. Let's set that aside. Now that we have the wheel out of the way, let's have a quick look behind this area. We can see our front strut. We can see our ABS wire. Up in this area, we have an ABS wire mounting bracket. We do not need to remove the bracket from the strut. You can see where the connector is. Now, as far as this connector, it does have a hidden locking tab behind the bracket. We do not need to remove this from the bracket. Typically, you can just gently pry using a small screwdriver or even a small pick. Just make your way right into this groove, pull out on the locking tab, and pull it out of place. A quick inspection of each side of the connector just to confirm there's no corrosion. Let's follow this wire down to where the ABS wheel speed sensor connects to the steering knuckle next. Now, down in this area, we have an 8mm headed mounting bolt holding this in place. Slide that out of there. A quick inspection of our bolts will set that aside. Let's give this sensor a wiggle. Now, this may be stuck in place. You may have to wiggle it using some pliers. This one actually looks like it is moving. Let's give it a wiggle. Slide it out of there. Now, prior to installation of any brand new part, let's make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. We're starting down at the knuckle. I'm just using some fine sandpaper. We'll give this a light scuffing and a close inspection. I don't see any miscellaneous debris. Let's continue on with our installation. Now it's time for installation of our brand new front ABS wheel speed sensor. Let's get this in position. Let's get this ABS sensor in place. We want to be careful not to cause any damage. Line it up with its corresponding port. Carefully press it down towards the knuckle. If it feels like it's being restricted in any way, double check the backing plate. It may be restricting you. We'll continue on with our 8mm headed mounting bolt. Just go ahead and start it in. We're going to bottom that out. The torque for that will be 97 inch-pounds. It's not very much. Double check to make sure it's secured. It should not move around in any way. Now we can connect the ABS wheel speed sensor wiring connector together up by the front strut. Align the locking tab portion, press it in, we'll listen for a click. After an audible click, just double check to make sure that's secured as well. One last quick inspection in this area and we can reinstall our wheel. Once you have the wheel in place, go ahead and start on all 5 of your 21mm lug nuts. You're going to bottom them out in a crisscross manner. Once you have the wheel back on the ground, torque each one of the lug nuts to 148 foot-pounds. Now I have the wheel back on the ground. Let's go ahead and torque each one of our lug nuts to that 148 foot-pounds. Torqued. Okay, friend, we finished the installation of our front ABS wheel speed sensor. Now the next thing we need to do is make our way inside the passenger compartment. If you had an ABS light, go ahead and reset that. Take your vehicle for a road test and make sure the ABS light doesn't come back on. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.